Hello there, I'm Dr. Alykhan Shariff with Infinite Healing Chiropractic and Wellness Center, and the topic today I'm going to talk about is the triggers that can create headaches. And when you get a headache, obviously you're getting that dull, achy sensation, or the throbbing sensation, or the sharp sensation over the forehead, over the back of the neck, base of the neck. And let's face it, when we're getting a headache, we're not really functional. It's hard to even respond to people, it's hard to even think, it's hard to even concentrate. And when those headaches actually occur, they're actually, the nerves that are being irritated are what's called the greater and lesser occipital nerves. Those nerves are wrapping around the skull, wrapping around the scalp, I should say, emanating from the suboccipital area, which is the base of the neck. And there's two vertebrae there, atlas and axis, C1, C2 vertebrae, where the nerves actually come from too. And those vertebrae, when they're misaligned, they can actually lead and create even more of a headache too. And so when they come around here, they can start creating your headache that's, people say sometimes it's going right over my scalp, sometimes it's at the base of the neck, creating a headache, just a dull sensation around here. Some people will say it's right across my forehead, across my temples. I feel like my head's in a vice. These are all the symptoms that can occur. There's so many different ways a headache can actually can be a symptom, and there's so many different symptoms that can be there. But with that being said, foods are a trigger, and one of the things that we notice out there is nitrates. Okay, nitrates are a problem, and nitrates are found in like chocolate. They're found in red wine, they're found in processed foods, and the problem with nitrates is that you have bacteria in your gut, and the bacteria in your gut, when you're actually eating these nitrates, drinking these nitrates, putting these nitrates in your body, these nitrates, the bacteria use them as fuel, okay, and they turn them, and when it's waste out of the bacteria, they waste them out as nitrites, okay, and then in your blood, it turns into nitric oxide, okay. Now, when you start looking at this, there's actually a study here that I have in front of me and stuff, and the study was in PubMed, and it actually showed, in this study and stuff that they showed from the Department of Neurology in the University of Copenhagen, they actually found that when it comes to nitric oxide, it is a key molecule that's found in migraines and other vascular headaches. So you think about that, nitric oxide is one of the key molecules that leads to your headaches. Okay, so and then you think about that, the whole process of nitrates, when they get broken down in bacteria to nitrites and then lead to nitric oxide in your blood, can start leading to this. And then when you think about that too, nitrites, they're used, a lot of times they're used for medication for treating heart conditions. Okay, and if you think about this, I actually read this here too. There's another study I have here. It was from the Expert Opinion on Drug Safety, Volume 5, Number 5, and they actually found that with this, they found the side effects of nitrates when people are being treated for heart problems like angina. The side effect is headaches, and that was found in 82% of patients in placebo-controlled trials. 82% of people said that they got a headache as a side effect. So nitrates can lead to this. Nitrates are the problem. So when you're looking at your diet, these are the things that you're eliminating. You're trying to reduce the amount of chocolate. You're trying to reduce the amount of red wine that has nitrates in there and stuff. And processed foods, because these are the triggers and that's where it's coming from and that's why it's occurring. So hopefully that's a little more information for you on why you're getting headaches, if you are receiving headaches, and how you can try to combat that. I'm Dr. Alykhan Shariff with Infinite Healing Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Looking forward to chatting with you again.